The last video we had this more complicated if statement where we used an if, elif and else and we were asking about ages. Let's go to the next level of complication. These gets quite tricky to get these right, and I think it's important to see these first and then later on you can write your own statements like this. So what I've done is a score thing. What score did you get? And the hypothetical situation is if you get between 0 and less than 50, that's a terrible score. But if you get a score that's 50 or more, but less than 80, that's quite good. But if you get a score that's at least 80, but less than or equal to 100, that's great. Now, if you get any other score, that's not valid. So let's just run through this. So if I say my score is -1, that's an invalid score. If I say my score was, say, 35, that should be terrible, and so on. So you can see the boundaries here. We'll point out we have to be really careful about these boundaries. Like, for example, this 51 here. I've been really careful to make sure when I was speaking earlier, then when I typed it in, if I say exactly 50, I know that's on the quite good. Because if the score was less than 50, i.e. 49, that's terrible. But if it's greater than or equal to 50, it would be quite good. So when I typed in 50, I got quite good. So you have to be really mindful of those boundary values there. All right. So, yep, make sense of that. Type this in, check that it all works, and you get the values you think you should.